Hello, fellow marketers. I'm Brian Bowie, and welcome to another episode of Directive R&D. It's just going to be me today, and it should be a quick one, but hopefully really helpful for you if you're looking to improve funnel conversion rates and generate more sales. So wanted to share with you two quick changes we made to improve our meeting attendance rates for intro calls by 28% week over week. So first, as you can see on my screen, this is an email cadence that we sent out right after we had a form fill for intro call request. We noticed we weren't seeing the attendance rates that we wanted to see on our intro call meetings. So we wanted to do something to generate excitement, generate hype, and inform our prospect more about what Directive is and what we're all about. So the team put together this awesome hype video. You can check it out on our YouTube, but it kind of goes through who we are, shows our faces, kind of explains some of our awesome client success stories, as well as breaks down what we do and who we are and what we do. So we thought using this as the first interaction after someone fills out the form would make a more productive meeting for the intro call and also produce some excitement to talk with Directive. So we saw this really make a strong impact for getting people to that intro call, as well as making it a productive meeting so that we could get into more of the meat and potatoes of like what problems that we could help them solve. Second thing, a small thing, you're probably already doing this, but we look to increase our reminders before the call. So we have a 3-step reminder sequence between 24 hours before intro call, 1 hour before intro call, and then a 30-minute text message, and then 1 minute before intro call. This might seem a lot, but for us, we really wanted to make sure we were giving our prospects a good idea. And within each of these reminders, it explains a little bit more about what we're going to be talking about so that they have a good expectation going into the meeting to be excited about what they're going to be talking to us about. And the consistency, you never know if one of those prospects are going to miss one of these reminders or see another one, but it really helped improve our meeting attendance rates, and which had ultimately a strong impact on opportunities generated, pipeline, and ultimately deals. So wanted to share these two quick tactics for you to potentially test. It worked out really well for us. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and hopefully this one works out for you. So thank you again, and we'll chat in the next episode. Thanks.